Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Savings Tracker template to easily keep track of your savings, financial goals, and progress for each goal. This template helps you see not just the total amount, but also the progress for each specific goal. On the main Savings tab, you can see all your goals and savings. On the left side, there's a block called Savings and Investments. In this block, you enter all your goals, specify the fund name, target amount, and the date by which you want to save the money. The progress field fills in automatically as you add transactions and increase your savings. At the top, you can see the overall total for all your goals. It is calculated automatically. Total target amount, current amount, amount left, and progress bar show the overall completion percentage for all your savings. Individual goals. Each financial goal has its own separate section. For example, travel fund, wedding fund, car fund, stocks. For each goal, you see the target amount, go date, current amount, amount left, and progress bar. These values update automatically as you add transactions. Under each goal, you'll find a transaction log. Here, you record all transactions for that goal, date, description, and amount. For example, you can add monthly contributions, bonus savings, or transfers. All entered amounts automatically update the progress in each block and in the overall summary on the left. You can create up to 30 individual goals, from major purchases to small personal funds. You can customize the goal name, amount, and dates to fit your needs. The template automatically calculates totals and shows the current progress for each goal. This makes it easy to track your progress and see which goals are close to completion. The Setup tab. In the Setup tab, you can customize the template's appearance and in the Currency field, set your currency symbol. It will be automatically applied to all sheets. In the Theme field, you can choose a color theme. There are 4 color themes available, so you can pick the one that best matches your style. These settings apply to the entire file and help make the template visually appealing and personalized. The Savings Tracker template helps you stay motivated and clearly see how your savings grow with each new entry. Just enter your deposit and the progress will update automatically. You can purchase this template in my Etsy shop. The link is below the video. Happy budgeting!